Beta has officially unveiled its 2027 X-Trainer lineup, bringing fresh updates to one of the most beginner-friendly enduro motorcycles on the market. Alongside the familiar X-Trainer 300, the Italian brand is also introducing an all-new X-Trainer 200. The X-Trainer 300 continues to rely on its proven 300 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled two-stroke engine equipped with a Keihin carburetor, a setup known for its reliability and easy tuning. It comes standard with electric start, backed up by an optional Kickstarter, while Beta's automatic oil injection system eliminates the need to premix fuel. Routine maintenance is also simpler thanks to tool-free access to the air filter beneath the seat. On the trail, the X-Trainer is designed to suit riders of every skill level. Its adjustable suspension delivers a balanced ride, while the selectable sun and rain riding modes let riders tailor power delivery to changing terrain. A light hydraulic clutch reduces rider fatigue, and the 6-speed gearbox offers the flexibility needed for everything from tight technical sections to faster open trails. Beta also keeps the ergonomics approachable with a slim chassis that makes the bike easier to maneuver and allows riders to plant their feet with confidence. The standard seat height measures 35.8 inches, while a Lowboy version lowers the seat by 1.2 inches for shorter riders. A new Trail Tech display also makes ride information easier to read and adds improved functionality. The biggest news, however, is the arrival of the all-new X-Trainer 200. It combines the same lightweight chassis with a lively 200 cubic centimeters two-stroke engine, making it an excellent choice for beginners or lighter riders who don't need the stronger output of the 300. Despite the smaller engine, it retains all the key features, including oil injection, riding modes, tool-free air filter access, and the new Trail Tech computer. For 2027, both models also receive several practical upgrades. A redesigned front number plate now houses a brighter and more efficient LED headlight. The bikes feature new red and white bodywork paired with a black frame, black wheels, and an engine skid plate. Beta has also strengthened the drivetrain with an upgraded case saver and a longer, more durable rear chain guide to better protect the chain from rocks and roots on demanding trails. Overall, the 2027 Beta X-Trainer lineup stays true to its mission of offering a confidence-inspiring enduro bike that is easy to ride yet capable enough to satisfy experienced trail riders. And with the addition of the new 200 cubic centimeters model, Beta now offers an even wider range of choices for riders looking to explore the off-road world.